Welcome you all for the session, students. In the last video we saw about cognitive radio, why, where and when it is used. Okay, so in this video we are going to into our first unit. So the first unit is introduction to software defined radio and cognitive radio. Okay, so the first topic in this is the evolution of software defined radio and cognitive radio. Okay, this is the first topic. So what is mean by evolution? Evolution is nothing but the history, how the software defined radio has been developed from its starting to how it is now. Okay, so that is the evolution. Okay, and then what else we are going to see is we are going to see the goals. Okay, so the goals, benefits, what are the benefits of cognitive radio and software defined radio usages. Okay, the next one is the definitions, the clear definitions, and then the architecture. So whatever the radio, whatever it design will have an architecture. Only with that architecture we can design it. Okay, we can use it. So architecture is also going to be discussed, and then its relationship with other radios. Okay, and what are all the issues in that, and then last is and the next one is an enabling technologies. What are all the technologies that is to be updated or to become in these radios. Okay, and then last one is an radio frequency spectrum and regulations. Okay, so what's the spectrum and what are the rules and regulations. Okay, so these are all the topics to be discussed in the first unit. So now we are going into first unit. Okay, so introduction to software defined radio and cognitive radio. Okay, so we have seen about cognitive radio. Now we should see clearly about software defined radio. Okay, so software defined radio. So software defined radio, within the name you will be able to understand that it is full of software defined. Okay, software, and there is a radio. That radio is fully software defined, that is fully software. Okay, that's why the name is software defined radio. Software defined radio, its concept. So software defined radio is nothing but there is a radio and that radio is fully software defined, that is it is both of hardware and software. Okay, that is software defined. So here see the basic concept of SDR software radio is that the radio that is totally configured or defined by software. Okay, so the radio that is defined by software. In the previous radios we should that is the manually the instruction should be given, each and every instruction should be given manually. Okay, but in software defined radio it is somewhat that is software is used here to automatically give instructions. Okay, so that is totally configured and defined by software. Okay, that is mean by software defined radio. So, and the next one is there is a possibility that it can be reconfigured as updates to standards arrive. Okay, so if the take it as an example that an update from 3G to 4G came. Okay, so if it is just a radio, what can we do is it cannot be updated very easily without any hardware changes. But since it is now it is a software defined radio, it can be easily updated from its 3G level to 4G level. Okay, since it is software defined. If it is a conventional radio, it can't be updated because any hardware component should be changed. Then only it will be updated from one technology to another technology. So here that's what they are saying here. It can be reconfigured as updates to standards arrive. Okay, so if there isn't any update, it can be reconfigured. Okay, so this is software defined radio. Now we are going to see what is software and radio, why this both software and radios are joined to have a software defined radio. Okay, first software, we know that software is a part of a computer system that consists of encoded information. So encoded information means what? Let's take our PC or computer systems. All these our systems will only understand the binary codes, there is zeros and ones. The information or signals will be converted to a binary code, and that language only will be understood by our systems. Okay, so likewise there will be an encoded information for each and every systems. Okay, that will be in contrast to the system, that is in contrast to the hardware systems. Okay, this is meant by software. And then come on to the radios. So radio is a technology using radio waves to carry information. So now radio is nothing but the information is carried from one place to another. The information is being inbuilt into a radio waves, and then it is the radio waves carry that information from one place to another place. Okay, the information may be sound or data or any information, okay, that is transferred from one place to another through radio waves. This is known as radio. Okay, so the radio is just a technology that uses radio waves to carry the information. Okay, so such as sound, by systematically modulating some property of electromagnetic energy waves transmitted through the space. So the electromagnetic waves will be the right. So these waves are just what we can say is just modified. Okay, just modified. What are all things that will be modified is amplitude, frequency, phase and phase. These things are modified, and with the help of that the information is carried from one place to another place through the radio waves. Okay, this is software and radio. Now let's see why software meets radio. Why should there is a defined radio, the radio is carrying information, we have a software separately. Why this both should join? This is our question here. So why is it radio? Okay, while taking a radio is purely hardware, right? So purely hardware means it will be, the flexibility will be very less. Okay, it can't adjust to the situations, it can't be flexible. Okay, so next one is a defined cost. In hardware systems itself the cost is high. And the next one is, we told already, right, the updating of the systems is very difficult. Okay, to new technologies updation is very difficult here. Okay, so to overcome these, software is just attached to that radio. That's why these drawbacks have been overcome. Okay, so this is why software and radio meets. Now software defined radio. Software defined radio, the radio in which some or all of the physical layer functions are software defined. Okay, the same thing as we told before, all the functions are software defined here. Okay, so the software is nothing but it is a radio systems where majority of the baseband processing means a physical, what all the physical layer functions. So physical layer functions means, what are the physical layer functions means? Modulation, forward error correction, spreading, filtering, frequency, time synchronization and etc. Okay, these are some of the physical layer functions. Okay, where the majority of the baseband processing are done in software. Okay, so all these functions, where all these functions are done in software, that's why it is known as software defined radio. Okay, so software, we now saw what is software, what is radio, why these both are joined, the clear definitions. Okay, now we are going to see the software defined radios applications. Okay, so applications come, one application may be cellular base stations. Okay, where that is in cellular base stations means there will be a constant updations. Okay, constant updations, there comes 2G, 3G, 4G, now 5G, okay, it will be going on. So there it is very compulsorily using the software defined radio, okay. And then we told, right, UMTS to HSPA or LTE. UMTS is nothing but 2G, and LTE, okay. So updation from one system to another system is very easy while using this software defined radio. If it is possible to update in the previous radio system also, but what there should be done is any hardware component should be replaced by the updated one, okay. This is one. So these are all some of the applications of software defined radio, okay. So today we saw about what is cognitive radio, so what is software defined radio, and what is software, what is radio, why this both are combined, okay, and that's definitions and applications, okay. Hope you all understood this lesson. In the next class, let's discuss about the architecture of the software defined radio. Thank you.